Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by seeing the loop. Name the trigger out loud and pause. Why? Because labeling reduces emotional intensity and creates space to choose. Once done, rate the urge on a 0-10 scale and quickly note body signs, tight chest, clenched jaw, or racing thoughts because sensations guide strategy. Make sure to start a 10-minute pause. Step away, breathe in slow counts, and jot the urge in a phone note. This first action shifts reactive habit into deliberate response. Once you have space, replace the pull with an intentional action, a 5-minute walk, a grounding exercise, or a text to an accountability buddy. You do this because active replacement rewires reward pathways over time. Then reframe the thought using CBT steps. Identify the belief, ask for evidence, and run a small experiment to disconfirm it. Make sure to add friction for 24 hours, remove cues, delay access, and tell someone to reduce relapse while the new pattern strengthens. You finish by turning wins into routine. Schedule reliable activities that meet the need your addiction-filled, social time, exercise, creative work, because predictable rewards prevent hunger for the old loop. Once done, track progress with 7-day streaks and small rewards to reinforce momentum. If things go wrong, don't self-blame. Analyze the trigger, shorten your delay tactic, and increase external support or accountability. One troubleshooting tip: when relapse repeats, add immediate social check-ins to interrupt the pattern fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.